Hi, so this is the Lunar dashboard page. I'm going to briefly go over it so it's not a long video. This is your environments. Uh, you upgrade, etc. It's a 3D view for that. This is a location where you see the people who are online, which is your, first 5 friends. And then you can see all the people who are online. You can add them as friends, etc. This is your calendar. You can add events and stuff like that. They'll show right here as notifications. And this is your system of notifications over here. This right here is your games. So if you hit this, you can see it run down everything, the play button. Of course, like I said, I'm not an expert in UI design, but this is all subject to change. This right here is your full library. You click on it, show you community moments, fun things, and you can hit play. This right here is your collapse menu, where you can go to your 5 recent games. It's stuff you're not on this page. It'd be easy for you to access this stuff over here. You have a list of your friends, or in this case, your games. Your details as well, and achievements, games, and of course play. You have the full library. Of course, here you can hit play as well. Here's your friends list. You can go to profile. You can see it shows you the 3D avatar of their friends. It shows you their achievements they are recently unlocked, recent games, and it gives you a tracker of the current information for their achievements and even some stats. You can also message them as well, challenge them, or interact. You can also trade them. We'll bring up the trade menu and invite them or join. These right here shows you your rewards. It shows you the recent things you unlocked, recent things you got from the games you play. This over here shows your trophies. And if you click on it, it gives you the option to sell it, auction it, trade it, or buy it, etc. Which means that, as you get these items in your achievements, you can auction them off, you can sell them, or you can probably buy things from that store if there's something listed. This is the clan page. Oh, so you need to actually I think you need to actually log in to do that. Yeah, so the clan page requires a login. And I should be able to log back in. I'm sorry for this. Log in. Okay. Oh, there's a quick tutorial that is prompted up to new users. Okay, let's go back to clan. There we go. And this is the clan page. It shows you your recent chat. So the chat is down here. It's going to change that. It's not supposed to be game chat. It's going to be game chat, but it's there. So your recent chats will show up right here, and I'll show it off in a minute. This is your 3D environment. So you have a 3D territory for your guild, which, like I said, the play button is going to handle all this, but it's just to showcase what would be there when you do hit the play button. Is your chat as well. And then other than that, you have the admin over page, which you can make decisions such as assign quests, uh, pay people, etc. Whatever you want to do with the guild master. This right here is your game chat. You collapse this. This is your main chat right here. Main time you be talking to people, voice chat, whatever you want to do. It's right there. This right here will be any game. Here's a list of things that you can put here. Our strategy, our information, game chat, forum, and voice chat. You can talk with your voice. And that's about it for that. The actual forum page is right here. It's pretty basic, but it's not too bad. Leave comments, whatever you want. Filters up here. And then go to the bottom, you hit Farm Hub, it gives you a new UI, and it shows you a list of games that you want to farm in, and then you would look, for the threads that shows you things that you are looking for, or etc. You can find it all here. Last, this right here is the card page. You see the list of games over here will show the card that's available. If you look for that one, click on it, and then it will show you some quest details, story, combat, just general information on the game itself, and what would take it. I guess I'm so sorry. It would you can look at your story and combat for each individual game, and the information will show up here. Even the quest will show up here. Now we go to achievements. This is your achievement section. It shows you the cards you unlock for that game. You can go to record, which gives you general information of the game. And forge allows you to upgrade the cards, and then skill allows you to upgrade the card skill. Each card will have their own individual max level and their own individual type of skill based off what type of card it is. This is a skill tree. Each individual genre has its own separate skill tree, so players can feel meaningful after leveling up. And it just does all this is just do one thing. Or aura page, which is the streaming page, which gives the average community, average actual user easy access to, using this. If people were here streaming, they'll pop up here. So it looks good, and I'm happy with it. Discover uh, shows you new streamers. Sorry, this is in a way, but it shows you new streamers and people you want to see. You click on them. Oh, that's not done yet, but when you click on them, it redirects you to their Steam page, and that's practically it. Um, what's left is the store page. This is the store page. This is all the store page, list of your cards, and what that game offers right here, including DLC. DLC is right here, and then some additional content people talked about, and then also people's replies. So, with all that being the case, I can show you the environment hub. He's 19, he said this already. So, the environment. Oh, wait a minute, this is not the right thing. Gotta go back to here. I'm so sorry, I'm kind of tired. The trading posts. The way it works is you search by game, click on the game you want, and they give you a list of every achievement for that game. You click on the one you want, it shows you a list of sellers, and then you can buy it, etc. Easy. That's about it to this. Dev cards is a way for developers to post their own information, like a Facebook for developers. They're doing, and then people can reach out to them to test it and or join their live feed and whatever they're doing. And I tried to make it unique. I tried to make it stand out, but this is subject to change. But that's pretty much everything. And thank you guys for your time.